Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to use the lens tool, but they want to make the dots smaller as they go through the lens, and so they do this. But they're having trouble with the blend tool, getting the things to work. So we're just going to draw an ellipse. Let's make it a 0.5. I didn't have my ratio locked. Lock your ratio and then go 0.5. I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with black and take away the outline. A left click, right click the mouse. Control D and make a duplicate. And then move this over and make this one 1/4 inch. Now take these two, and here's his problem. Go to Effects, Blend, and we're going to blend them 16 times. You can see that the spacing, let's do a little less. Let's do 14 times. You can see that the spacing isn't equal, and you could play around getting in the acceleration and link acceleration and all this different stuff. But I found the easiest way to do this. This is a blend, so go to Object and break the blend apart. Then go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. Now open these up. Let's get rid of the blend docker. Select all of them, go up to Windows, Dockers, Align and Distribute, and then just kind of watch when you pick which one you want. There's your best choice. It's putting the space between the dots equally. Now, Control D to make a duplicate. Holding down the control button with the two-sided arrow, go right there. Now I actually want maybe not so many big dots, so I'm going to select all of them, go up to Effects, and go to Object and Ungroup. Well, I guess ungrouped them, that's right. So what I'm going to do is maybe take away one of the larger center ones. And that one, it looks like it's a little bit too close anyway. So I'm going to move it over. And then I'm going to take these, I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 0.1. That might be too much. Nope. That looks pretty good. Maybe a little bit more. Too much. Back up. You don't have to have it perfect. 0.01. Anyway. Then group this together, Control G. Control D to make a duplicate, and holding down the control button after you start moving it, and then Control D, Control D, Control D. Try to make kind of a square and not a rectangle. Now we need to group all these together. Object, Group, Group, hit P, put it in the center of the page. Whoa. Hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm hoping this one will be better than my last one. P to put it in the center of the page. Then draw an ellipse, holding down the control button, and then hit P. I'm going to turn it to red so maybe you can see it better. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and let it grow. Try to make it as big as I can make it. Now, you've got the ellipse selected. That's very important because you've got two items. We've only got the ellipse selected. Go to Effects, Lens, go up here to Fisheye, and then hit Frozen. What that does, it allows you to take it out. And I think we're going to take away the red outline. And if you rotate this like 45 degrees, it'll even look kind of cooler. That does look pretty good. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.